I am telling you what is place of articulation. What's the definition of place of articulation? So, place of articulation refers to where the sound is made in the mouth, and we also call it point of articulation. In which point, in which location, where the sound is made in the mouth. So basically, there are 7 places of articulation: bilabials, labiodental, dentals, alveolars, velars, palatals, and glottals. So first one is bilabials. Bi means two, labials mean lips. When the two lips come closer, the bilabial sounds are produced. For example, pa, ba, and ma, w. Second one is labiodentals. Labio means bottom lip and dentals mean upper teeth. Like when the top teeth connect with the bottom lip in sounds like fa and wa, fat and wine. Third one is dentals. When the tip of the tongue touches the back of upper teeth, sounds like thick and thin. Fourth one is alveolars. So sounds produced when the tongue tip touches the area behind top teeth. Sounds like ta and za, top and za, top and zap. So fifth one is velars. So sounds produced when the tongue body, middle part of the tongue, touches the back of the mouth roof or the soft palate. For example, sounds like ja and ing, gap, bring, sing, ring, king. So sixth one is palatals. Sounds produced when the tongue blade touches the roof of the mouth or the hard palate. Sounds like shaw and jaw. Here the spelling of gym is Gym. Correct it yourself, please. Ship, shop, gym. So last but not the least is glottals. So these are sounds produced without articulators, but air passes from the windpipe through the vocal cords. Sounds like hello, ha, hat, ho. So I hope you got it well. So if you have any question, you may ask in comment section. So in my next video, I'll upload video on manner of articulation. So thank you.